Do I get on the highway? Do I not? Sure, let's try it. First time on the highway by myself. Let's hope James doesn't get mad. I know he won't be mad. He just worries. It's not too bad. It's not too busy this morning. The wind is a little bit, there's a little bit of wind, but it's kind of cold. But I'm in the slow lane, keeping a nice pace, keeping a good buffer between me and the car ahead of me. I know James is going to be like, "What? You got on the highway by yourself?" And then I'm going to have to be like, "Yeah." Usually when I get on the highway, I have him behind me. You know, extra set of eyes back there, letting me know what cars are coming up and giving me all the details from his view. First time doing this by myself, and actually I'm not too nervous because, you know, I did that whole going to Windstar. James was with me, so I got some practice in, and doing this right now by myself, it's okay. I'm not very nervous. I feel comfortable with it. I am going to the store so I can pick up some glue because we've got a few Halloween projects that we're working on, and I've been looking for hot glue everywhere. It seems like every store is out. Yeah, the wind is definitely kind of pushing, but it's okay. Like I don't think the wind makes me as nervous as it did the first time I came through here. The first time I came through here with James, that the wind was probably even less forceful than it is today, and it was just a different feeling. But here we are. I did it! I did it. First time on the highway by myself. I freaking did it, guys. I'm gonna shoot James a message later, or maybe I'll just wait till he gets home and be like, "Guess what I did?" Okay, so came to the store. I found the hot glue that we needed for our Halloween project. They had some pumpkins, the fake pumpkins. They had them for like 40% off. But I sometimes think like, hey, I want to buy some of those fake pumpkins so I can set them around the front of our house. And then I think to myself, I don't want to store them. You know, it's always fun when you see all the decorations out front of your, out front of your house, or in your house. But then when it's time to store everything, just the sheer amount of space it requires is insane to me. Anyways, I got our glue for our project that we're working on, and we'll be loading a video here soon of what that project is. So yeah, let's get on with it because I am hungry. So I'm probably going to go to Chick-fil-A. So I do have a question. You people on bikes out there, with more experience than I have. When you go to a fast food place, do you go through the drive-thru on your bike? Because I always get down. I always feel like you have to go over that pressure plate so that it dings on the inside and lets them know that you're out there wanting to order. I always feel like maybe the bike's not heavy enough for that. So I don't know. Do you guys go through the drive-thru on your bike at any point ever? Comment down below. All right, I got me my breakfast. Uh-oh, I got a little. Everybody's trying to pull out of this parking lot. If you ain't first, you're last. Everybody's got to be first. We'll just go this way and go around. I have got my breakfast in my backpack. Consists of a breakfast biscuit and a large iced tea. I just stuck that large iced tea inside the backpack pocket on the inside. Hopefully that stays put and doesn't end up all over me by the time I get home. So I don't have like a tank bag or a cup holder or anything to put stuff in. I just carry my small backpack. So what do you guys do when y'all go pick up food? Like, how are y'all transporting that? Curious to know. You don't really think about it when you're in a car. You just put, your cups in your cup holder and, hey, dude, you just put your cup in your cup holder and throw your food in the passenger seat. But on a bike, I've learned it's a little different. Little different. This is usually the part where I have James telling me, you're clear, go ahead. But today I don't have James. So getting on the highway is a little different. Your head's got to be on more of a swivel when you don't have a partner, an extra set of eyes. That's okay though. We take it easy. I take it easy. Keep an eye on the cars around me. So, I'm not a crazy rider. I like to make it home in one piece. Where are they going, I wonder? I want to go. We're gonna move over so this car can get in. I definitely don't like to ride alongside cars that are trying to get on the highway, especially being smaller than them. The last thing I want is them pushing me out of the way trying to get through. All right, here's my bag. There's my drink. Sweet.